Next, we have a long awaited pair. We have the Jordan 3 Black Cements. This is actually my first pair of Black Cement 3s ever. All the other releases I just slept or missed out on. And these are my first pair. And it's also my first time even seeing these. I got my pair straight from Nike. And they look kind of crazy. All right, so at first glance, the leather quality is all right. Nothing too crazy, nothing premium here. For that $200 price tag, to be honest, we should have got better quality leather. But hey, I know other people's pairs looked far worse than mine. At least my elephant print is not that bad. On my right pair, my elephant print looks really good. On my left pair, the elephant print looks like ass. And I feel like this is a common trend with people's pairs. Like one foot will look great and the other foot will look terrible. I haven't really seen anybody have like two perfect pairs. But yeah, we should have had better quality control, better elephant print. It's kind of crazy, but hey, got my pairs. Hey, what can I say? With Jordan brand, you either get good quality or you don't. Like, that's really all there is to it.